Hi, my name is Wayne Mortensen. I'm a bankruptcy attorney here in Tucson, Arizona. I've been practicing for a very long time, and one thing that people maybe don't understand is that you have to turn over, or you could be required to turn over, many records when you file a bankruptcy. This is not something that happens very often. Most typically what happens when we file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy is that the trustee in bankruptcy, in the context of a Chapter 7, will ask for 2 or 3 months worth of bank statements. And they might ask for the last 2, 3, or 4 years worth of taxes. They're not asking for those things to audit them and check them. They're asking for those things because they want to see what assets that you've had and how the money's been flowing through. What you need to understand is that if the Chapter 7 trustee came back and asked you for tax returns for the last 2 years, you would be required as a Chapter 7 debtor to turn over those records to the trustee. If you don't, it could be considered an obstruction, and the judge could actually deny your discharge, okay? And so it's really important to understand that bankruptcy is serious. You're asking the bankruptcy court to release and get you out of a lot of debt through the discharge under 11 U.S. Code. And so as you get into it, you need to follow the rules, and you need to be willing to follow the rules. And I tell all of my clients when they come in, if you're not willing to follow the rules of this, bankruptcy process, then don't do it, okay? It's as simple as that. If they ask you for 5 years worth of taxes or 10 years worth of taxes, you could be required to turn it over. Now, I, as your trustee, will assist you in talking to the trustee and maybe asking them what is the reason for that and negotiating with them on those issues. But you, as a debtor, need to understand that it is your responsibility to turn those things over. I have seen clients who have not turned those documents over, and the judge has pulled back and denied their discharge. So it can happen. You need to take the process seriously. Call us at the number above or email us through this website so we can set up a free consultation and talk to you about your obligations under the Bankruptcy Code and what you may or may not be required to do. We look forward to seeing you in the office. Thank you.